Shut up and sit down.
Oh, hello and welcome to another noise perception test in the Yaris GR Sport. Now I'm going to ride or drive a typical British road that is absolutely what you're going to find everywhere nowadays. Potholes, rough, not very well maintained. And it's just what you're going to come across day in, day out. And it's only a short stretch of road that I'm going to use, but it'll give you some idea how they ride and what the noise is. Because this road is a particularly bad road. But you will come across this type of road. Anyhow, I'm shutting up now. Just get some ideas. Well, as you saw there, that road was really potholed. You have to remember, we are in a GR Sport, so we do have some very large 18-inch wheels on this car and some really wide tyres. The suspension's a lot harder than you're going to get in your base model cars like an Icon or a Design or an XL. They ride a lot smoother than any GR Sport will. But that just gives you some idea what they're like on that type of road. Anyhow, once again, if you find these videos useful, please hit the thumbs up button. Please consider subscribing to the channel, costs you nothing. I'm going to head back down now to finish the motorway video because the camera got too hot and it cut out and didn't record the whole video I wanted to record. So I'm going to do another piece to that video which I'll link in, so when you watch that video you'll see I'm now going the other way down the A55. Just mainly to finish the video off. So, thanks for watching.